is a cold and windy day here up in the mountains of North Carolina. I'm in Hanging Rock State Park at this beautiful mountain lake here. I drove 70 miles this morning to photograph a trumpeter swan. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, tundra swans are not birds of North Carolina. This is a bird that breeds in the Arctic area of the Americas, up in Canada and Alaska, and they migrate down as far south as British Columbia. They've been seen in the New England states, more northern states, not here in North Carolina. I don't have any statistics on how long ago they've been seen here, but they are extremely rare here in North Carolina. This individual here is at this pond here. Like I said before, this is a mountain pond, and usually this pond, traditionally this pond has been frozen, but for over the last 5-10 years this pond doesn't freeze or gets very little ice on it, and apparently there's a lot of vegetation that this animal can take off the bottom and feed. So I just talked to some birders. They said the animal's down here, very happy to pose for me, so I'm gonna head down this trail here and hopefully be able to photograph it. Well, I hope you can see the tundra swan. It should be somewhere over here. It's an incredibly beautiful bird. Now, these swans are very unique here in North Carolina, and the reason why it's not a mute swan or a tundra swan, but a trumpeter swan, is because of the long bill that the trumpeter swan has, a very long neck. When you see this bird, you can tell that it is an extremely different bird than the mute swan or the tundra swan that are normally found here. I am so excited, and usually when I'm with a very rare bird, you get a few glimpses of it, you may get a few photographs, but usually you're with it for 20, 30, 40 seconds and then it's gone. And I've been with this bird now for about 10 to 15 minutes. Doesn't seem to care that I'm here. I've talked to some other birders and they seem to say it's very tolerant of people being around it. So I'm very, very excited about it. And all I can say is if these pictures are any good, here they are. Well, if you're interested in seeing this bird, I'm at Hanging Rock State Park. It's the end of July, and this bird has been here for about 3 weeks. I don't know how long it's going to be here, but if you live in the North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, and you want to see this bird, I would make an effort to come and see this. You drive into Hanging Rock State Park, you drive up the road past the Welcome Center, around to the parking lot that's right next to the pond. You walk east on the trail going by the pond. It's a very well marked trail. I would strongly encourage you to wear boots because it's very muddy, but it's very well marked. It's a very easy trail to get along. You only have to walk about 1 kilometer or about a half a mile to get here, so it's a really easy walk to get to. It is not handicapped accessible, but I would encourage anybody to come out here and see this bird. So I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you for watching. If you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.